Three young friends, Sam, Goblu and Bunty, share a fascination with the supernatural and decide to start a ghost hunting club. Their adventure begins when they investigate a supposedly haunted villa called Bardes, known for a string of deaths associated with it. They uncover a connection to a long-dead writer, Madhav Matthews, who had supposedly possessed supernatural abilities and wrote a series of popular horror novels. The friends soon find themselves entangled in a complex web of secrets, curses and unexplained occurrences that span generations. For more international film and TV recommendations, subscribe to Subtitles and Subtext.